Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what is Office 365 and evolution of Office applications as we upgraded to the Office 365 services. Please watch this video until the end if you want to learn more about the Office 365, and please like and share this video. Please help me out and subscribe this channel to grow, and if you have any questions, please write down below the comment section and I will do my best to help you out with that. Let's go ahead then. Welcome back to the cloud migration, guys. As I said in the preview, that today we will talk about evolution of Office applications and the product you used to purchase from the store, physical store, and Office 365 subscription base, or you can purchase on the rent or a monthly basis. So what is Office 365? So let's go to the overview. So first of all, it was launched in 2001, and Office 365 mainly is a cloud-based subscription model of the versions of Microsoft popular productivity suite, which is Microsoft Office applications. Mainly it also has Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. You guys might wondering, you used to have that in the previous application package also, but this is something new with the upgraded version. The most benefit of this application is you can pay as you, and please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share. So evolution of Office 360 Office application, it was look like this, that you used to purchase from the store or the old version, but when you purchase first time and you forgot, then whenever you thought that you would like to upgrade, you need to purchase the new one, but not now. Now you have Office 365 where you can purchase a subscription basis, on a subscription model base, and you will get Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all the applications. You might wondering what next on this Office 365. So the latest version of Office and Office web apps, familiar with Office user experience. So in the Office 365 you will have always latest version. So Microsoft is releasing latest version every 3 or 4 months, and you can get that upgraded version free, and you don't need to pay any extra money for that. And you will have always Office web applications and compatible mobile applications also, and everything is included in the Office 365 package. Familiar Office user experience, so it's look like almost same, but with the upgraded design and more faster and reliable. In the Office 365, if you purchased mainly business plans, then you always get Skype for Business and Microsoft Teams. It can be used mainly for virtual meeting with desktop sharing, so you can create the meeting with the other colleagues or friends and have a video call, or you can share your laptop screen or desktop screen with them. Instant message and present, so the colleague in the office can check that you are available or not, or they can always write you directly, and you have chatting possibilities in that. When it comes to Teams collaboration, this is something only available in the Microsoft Teams, which is the very better software compared to the Skype for Business. And I'm not sure if you are aware or not, but Skype for Business is about to expired in 2021, and it will be replaced completely with the Microsoft Teams, which is good software. I would recommend that definitely. SharePoint. What is SharePoint? So when it comes to the SharePoint, this is something that will be useful to access all the documents online in your internal organization. You can create the intranet's website for the organization. You can manage and share documents internally, externally with the permissions and the inheritance permissions. And it also SharePoint is also include the OneDrive cloud storage integration features. So all the documents SharePoint documents you have in your documents library can be stored with the OneDrive cloud storage. Exchange. So this is something mainly can be used to host your email services on the Microsoft 365 platform. For example, you can purchase your own vanity domain and you can add that domain and create your own login email address with the vanity domain. Moreover, you can host your mailing system, and the exchange license gives you more possibilities to create the safe mailing systems to avoid any spam phishing email. And you can also always monitor the all the activity, and you can create all the backup, everything. When it comes to free busy coexistence is correlated with the Skype for Business available or not available options. You can also on your Outlook applications, you can schedule the meetings and manage those meetings with, and it can be integrated with the Outlook and Exchange. And you can have Skype integration, so all your voicemails on the Skype phone systems can be stored in the Exchange. So this is the mainly 4 services include in all the business subscription, almost all the business subscription, and this is really useful. What next? So this is the main official link where you can check all the Microsoft 365 subscription, products.office.com. So let's click on it, and so as we click on it, we have this page, and once you come here, you will have mainly 3 categories: for home, for business, and for enterprise. So if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I have explained well about these 3 categories, and I can also show you overview here. So for example, if you have small and medium business, you can simply click here and it will give you the business subscription, which also includes all the applications. So as I said, you can see this is the mainly for business subscription. You can purchase and pay rent on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. Yeah, so as I said, the mainly 4 services which is include on these 3 application: Teams, Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint. Yeah, and it also does include this all the desktop applications with the premium version: Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Access for Windows only. This video, don't forget to click on like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.